inhale here. Let's start our practice at the top of our mats. So let's just stand 6 inches off the top of our mats. Let's start with 2 Surya Namaskar A's. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, step back, Chaturanga. Knees down or not. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. At the end of our exhalation, we'll step forward in between the hands. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, face the shin and come up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale and relax. Last round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, step or jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Drishti towards the navel. Developing speed and lightness in the legs. Breathe gently. Inhale, dog split right. Exhale, right foot forward. Left foot flat. Open the hips. Raise the arms sideways. Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, shift the weight forward. Left knee up to the chest. Both arms up. Exhale, soften the right knee. Step the left foot back. Hip square. Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, left hand down, lunge twist, so lift the back heel off the floor. Inhale, down to the floor. Exhale, right hand down, vinyasa. Other side, inhale, dog split left. Exhale, left foot forward. Your right foot flat, open the hips. Raise the arms sideways, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, shift the weight forward, both arms up, lifting that right knee to the chest. Exhale, soften the left knee. Step the right foot back, Virabhadrasana 1, hip square. As we exhale, right hand down, lunge twist. Inhale, down to the floor. Exhale, left hand down, vinyasa. Progress. Inhale, dog split right. Exhale, right foot forward. Left foot flat, open the hips. Raise the arms sideways. Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, reverse warrior. And exhale, shift the weight forward. Left leg up. Virabhadrasana 3. Exhale, soften the right knee. Step the left foot back. Hip square, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, left hand down. Right arm up. Right arm stays there, lunge twist. Exhale, look down to the floor and bring that right hand down, vinyasa. Other side, inhale, dog split left. Exhale, left foot forward. Right foot flat. Open the hips. Come up, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 3. Shift the weight forward. Right leg up. Exhale, soften the left knee. Step the right foot back, arms up. Hip square, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, right hand down, lunge twist. Inhale, look down to the floor. Exhale, left hand down, vinyasa. Progress. Inhale, log split right. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, up. Exhale, right foot forward. Left foot flat. Open the hips. Come up, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, shift the weight forward. Okay, left ankle above the right knee. Hands in Anjali Mudra in front of the chest. As we exhale, okay, move into Virabhadrasana 3 with Kali Mudra. So we hook everything except the index and the thumbs, left pinky in front. Exhale, soften the right knee. Step the left foot back, hip square, Virabhadrasana 1. Keeping that Kali Mudra. As we exhale, left hand down, right arm up, lunge twist. Inhale, look down to the floor. Exhale, right hand down, vinyasa. Other side, inhale, dog split left. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, up. Exhale, right, left foot forward. Right foot flat. Open the hips. Come up, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, shift the weight forward. Right ankle above the left knee. Squat full range. Anjali Mudra in front of the chest. As we exhale, okay, come to Virabhadrasana 3 with Kali Mudra, right pinky in front. Exhale, soften the left knee, step the right foot back to Virabhadrasana 1 hip square. Exhale, right hand down, lunge twist. Inhale, look down to the floor. Exhale, left hand down, vinyasa. At the end of our exhalation, we'll step forward. Okay, step or jump forward in between the hands. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, face the shin and come up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale and relax. Okay. We'll do some core work. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold Uttanasana. We'll start in a plank position. Inhale, plank. Okay, and then now we're going to dip the hips to the right. So just allow the elbows to soften if they will. Inhale, back to plank. Exhale, left side. Inhale, plank. Exhale, right. Inhale, plank. Exhale, left. Okay, last one. Inhale, plank. Exhale, right. Okay, follow my pace. Inhale, up. And exhale, left. Inhale to plank. Exhale, down dog. At the end of our exhalation, we'll step or jump through to seated. Okay, so we'll do last 4 core exercises. So we're in the sitting position. A lot of these are the traditional core exercises. You might want to speed up, but just for this one, for extra challenge, we follow my pace. All right, so on your next exhale, okay, lift the legs up. Keep your fingers or hands on the floor. So you're like in a Navasana, but keep the shins parallel to the ground. As we inhale, we're going to lean back, straighten the legs forward. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale. Last 10. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last 5, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last 3, inhale, exhale. Last 2, inhale, exhale. Last 1, inhale, exhale. Bring the feet to the floor. Bring the feet towards the edges of the mat. So we'll do Russian twist. If you need to adjust, if you're familiar with this exercise, just move your hips back or your feet further away from you. Bring the feet towards the edges of the mat. We're still going to have that leaning back position, Anjali Mudra, in front of the chest. So at any time when you twist, you feel that your elbow hits your leg, you can just lean back a little bit further. All right, 15 on each side. So twist right and left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now let's come back to center. Place the hands on the floor. We'll do that same version of the exercise prior to that those Russian twists, but we'll work the obliques this time. So again, let's bring the knees up. Now this time, as we exhale, we're just going to do 5 on each side. So we're going to inhale, lean back, now point the knees to the right. Straight legs. Exhale, back to center. Inhale left. Exhale center. Inhale right. Exhale center. Inhale left. Exhale center. Last 3. Inhale right. Exhale center. Inhale left. Exhale center. Okay, last 2. Inhale right. Exhale center. Inhale left. Exhale center. Last 1. Inhale right. Exhale center. Inhale left. Exhale center. All right. Now for this last one, we're going to come down on the forearms. Okay. So we're just going to tap the toes. You just come onto your tippy toes. Bring the legs up 90 degrees. And we'll just alternately tap the toes. Okay. So tap one side down and switch. That's 1 and 2. Now we do last 10 and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's meet in Sukhasana. Hands in Anjali Mudra. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste.